Hello everyone, let's talk Maskanda lyrics. This is the last time I am going to speak about this album, hopefully. Also bhutatancane uyiphumuza. Siyavuma impela ukuthi wena unenkani. Kodwa nje awukuphumuza inhliziyo. Sekudala ihetheka. To me, this speaks volume about the importance of ukwazi ukuba single. You have to learn to be whole in your singleness. In order to not feel left out, you have to learn to be whole in your singleness. Otherwise, angeke uziphumuze inhliziyo. Uzophuma la ungene la, uphume la ungene la. Uhetheke futhi. Cause into osuyenza manje, you just want to be in a relationship. You don't have standards anymore. As long as kukhona nje umuntu ekuthiwa ujola naye. If you ever had standards, you start neglecting your standards. You start dating whoever is available for you to date at that particular time, only causing yourself more pain. Because kwawena kuqala, you don't love this person the way that you need to love them ukuze wena uneliseke. Secondly, they don't love you like that. Yabo, everything that's happening, you are not healed. They are either not healed or bayidlalela ngawe nje bayazi bona benzani. Yet you are out here just giving up yourself, all your love languages to this person that doesn't care about you. You are making yourself available for umuntu ukuthi lokhu nje ekuphula inhliziyo, all because you fear ukuba single. Like, you don't know what to do with yourself if you're not in a relationship. Kanjani? You feel incomplete mawungajoli namuntu wena nje ngathi nje empilweni yakho nje izinto azikho right. Ngathi khona into eshodayo ngoba ayikho indoda noma ngoba unayo intombi. Because empty when you are by yourself. Ogcina sekukuphoqa manje to not look for people that meet your standards ngoba manje lento kulo uba nama standards and what not yakubambezela ugcina ungasajoli ngoba manje wena awukwazi ukuhlala nje wedwa kuthiwa unawo umuntu ojola naye. I think lesi stage lesi ubhuti usenza akhuluma ngaso is very important uma umuntu uzomdala ke. Vele kumjolo wabantu abadala. But no umuntu okhulile, it's very important to have time to yourself where you heal. You heal from trauma your ex-person caused to you, and then you heal from the person that you became, the toxic version of you that came through kule relationship ophuma kuyo. And healing from anything takes time. Doesn't happen overnight, and ukujola nomunye umuntu will only disturb the healing, because you can't show up for a romantic relationship with a person every day and then show up for yourself ukuthi ukwazi ukuheala the way that you need to heal. This is one of the reasons we end up bringing izinto zama past relationships to new relationships. Because asisebenzisanga lesi sikhathi lesi kwakufanele sisithathe to get over not only your previous partner but the version of yourself that you had to become kuleyo relationship leyo. Umuntu osejola nawe next time sekufanele abe understanding to izinto oyizona wena ngenxa yokuthi wena uphuma kuphi, bekuphatheke kanjani, lo muntu obumphethe kanjani. For example, uyazi umuntu manje ukuthi they always have to be available for you 100% efonini. Why? Because lo muntu ophuma kuye uma engekho available kuwe ubesuke cheat. Even though them not being available to you 24/7 doesn't mean the current partner is cheating on you. Sebethwele manje icala lokuthi lapha yayimuva wawunenkinga that you didn't take time to heal from. Sekufanele manje izinto abazenzayo bezenzela ukuthi wena, or they have to cater to all your insecurities. ama-insecurities that you would have been able to get rid of ukube wena wayiphumuza inhliziyo, right? Another example is that when uphuma kwintombazane yayikutshela ukuthi siyayikhipha nabangani bami, kanti uhamba nabantu besilisa, and now you meet a very healthy human being akutshela ukuthi ngihamba nabangani bami, and that triggers you. Sekuyinkinga-ke manje ukuthi intombi yakhe ihamba nabangani bayo, ibe vele ihamba nabangani bayo. It's just that in your past relationship, umuntu wakho umethe uhamba nabangani bakhe wawusuwazi-ke wena ukuthi hayi-ke sekunjalo. And those are things that you would easily navigate in the next relationship if you took time to heal, if you took time to yourself. And ezinye izinto that we try to do is uzama ukwenza indlela yokuthi umuntu ojola nayo engakuchitheni, ulibeke kuwe lelo cala lelo, because you haven't healed and you haven't come to the understanding ukuthi the last person you were dating was cheating on you because they are a cheater. It has absolutely nothing to do with you. There's nothing you can do better for a man or a woman to not cheat if bona bezazi ukuthi hayi vele mina cha ngiyahluleka bantu, I can't date one person. Usungena kwi-relationship manje usushaya inqwaba yama-stance, uzama ukuthi lo engakuchitheli because you haven't healed from thinking ukuthi yiphutha lakho ukuthi you are being cheated on, that you are being betrayed. So leyo kuphumuza inhliziyo is very, very important. Kunezinto, sometimes they are very small traumas esingawanaki, but they always show up uma ngabe singene kwenye relationship without having healed or without having time ukuthi siyiphumuze inhliziyo. So I think it's very important what uButi Ntengane is saying on the song, and